But Godrej Consumer Products, Nilesh, why have you picked up this stock and where do you see the stock headed from here on?
So if you see consumption space in last few trading sessions, we have seen a good momentum in consumption basket as a whole. So Godrej Consumer Product, this particular stock is looking very strong on the chart. It is on the verge of a breakout from its multi-month horizontal trend line. But looking at the today's move, in fact, in last 4 consecutive sessions, we have seen a strong momentum in this particular stock. So we are expecting a follow-up move to continue towards the levels of 1330 to 1360 on the upside with the stop loss below 1265. Godrej Consumer Product is up high.
Buy rating coming in on Godrej Consumer Products. The stock is currently trading near the 1295 odd levels. But Tata Tech, Kanishka, what's the news flow here?
That's right. So Tata Tech is in focus today because it has partnered with US-based Emerson to innovate integrated testing and validation solutions for global original equipment makers, that is OEMs, in the automotive, aerospace and commercial vehicle sectors. Now, this partnership aims to empower manufacturers to tackle the complexities of next-gen mobility by combining Tata Tech's expertise in systems engineering, EE architecture and mobility platform development with Emerson's software-connected test and measurement solutions. Now, following the collaboration announcement, the stock is up more than 0.5% in trade today.
Okay, so the stock is holding up with gains of nearly 0.6% as we speak. So that's Tata Technology for you, the stock in focus on the back of that news piece. But shifting focus then, Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture is scheduled to meet today. My colleague Prakash Priyadarshi is now joining us to decode what's on the agenda of this meeting. Prakash, over to you.
Yes, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture is scheduled to meet today. A very crucial meeting in the backdrop of Air India's plane crash, where the committee is expected to review the overall safety measures being taken by the government in the civil aviation sector. A very significant development coming in. In fact, the committee has summoned the civil aviation secretary as well, where members are expected to ask several questions to the secretary about the safety measures being ensured in the civil aviation sector by the government and industry to avoid such incident in the future. This meeting is also crucial in the context of 2 ongoing investigations. One is being chaired by the Home Secretary and another is being conducted by AIB. It is believed that the AIB has already submitted its preliminary report to the government, and therefore members are expected to ask several questions to the Civil Aviation Secretary about the findings of the AIB's report. It is important to note that this meeting is happening a day after Parliament's PSC meeting, which was held with the several stakeholders in the civil aviation sector to review the overall safety measures, including some other issues as well.
Prakash,